creamy, cheesy, and utterly irresistible. Get ready to discover the ultimate comfort food: classic baked macaroni and cheese. This homemade mac and cheese recipe takes a childhood favorite to new heights. The secret? A triple threat of cheddar cheeses. We use a blend of medium white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and medium cheddar for an explosion of flavor in every bite. Creating this cheesy masterpiece is simpler than you might think. Start by cooking your pasta just shy of al dente. While that's happening, prepare a roux with butter and flour, the base for our velvety cheese sauce. Slowly whisk in whole milk, then add the star ingredient, our triple cheddar cheese blend. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of mustard powder for depth. Combine the sauce with your cooked pasta, then transfer to a baking dish. The finishing touch? A crispy, golden topping made from buttery panko breadcrumbs and more cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden brown. The result is a mac and cheese with the perfect balance of creamy and crispy textures. Each forkful delivers a harmonious blend of tender pasta, rich cheese sauce, and that irresistible crunchy top. Serve it as a comforting main dish or as a show-stopping side. For added variety, try mixing in some crispy bacon, sautéed mushrooms, or even jalapenos for a spicy kick. This classic baked macaroni and cheese is more than just a recipe. It's a crowd-pleasing dish that's sure to become a family favorite. So grab your apron, preheat that oven, and get ready to create the creamiest, cheesiest mac and cheese you've ever tasted.